Sara Rama Temple is really a masterpiece of Vijayanagara. Ramayana story or but very nice view from here. Whistle man? Somebody's whistling? Wow, that is another watchtower, right? Very
Any
nice.
stairs or
See, this is elephant stable. That side, guard's house. See the watchtower. There are so many enclosures, monuments, ruins of palaces, fort, temples around this place. We will be exploring one by one. Now we are going to Hasara Rama Temple. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tindan Travel. See, this is Department of Archaeology, Museum and Heritage,
oh, museums and heritage.
Kamalapura, Bellary district. See,
Oh. So all of these sculptures were the
Ruins.
olden ruins, and they kept it as a museum.
yeah,
Oh.
by government.
Oh.
Now we are going to Hasara Rama Temple. I think on the way we can visit Hasara Rama Temple. Hasar means 1000.
Oh.
These all are ruins. See,
Oh.
all the ancient buildings. Now these are all under
Ruins.
Archaeological Survey of India as protected monuments.
Oh. Nice.
What is this incredible India?
Explore India.
Explore India. Share your
experiences.
experience. Where to share? I am ready to share.
I'm ready to share with my friends and my teachers, like my history teacher and geography teacher.
Yeah, I am sharing in YouTube.
Yeah.
Now we are in front of a 15th century temple, Hasara Rama Temple in Hampi. This temple is dedicated to Lord Rama, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It was undoubtedly the temple of the royal patronage. So this is the entrance to Hasara Rama Temple. The Hasara Rama Temple is the only temple situated in the core zone of the royal enclosure between the residential and ceremonial enclosures, dedicated to Vishnu in his aspect as Lord Rama. This 15th century temple is the finest example of an compact Dravidian Vimana type of temple. See the elegant pillars
Yeah.
carved out of stone.
Yeah.
Now we are entering inside. This is the craft works. See, very beautiful. The story of Ramayana
Oh.
depicted. See this? Whole story of Ramayana.
Yeah.
See, here also you can see the different stories from epics depicted on the wall. See how beautifully carved out
Yeah.
in the stone. This is Shravan Kumar's story from Ramayana. Shravan's aged parents were hermits and they both were blind. Shravan wanted them to take to the 4 most important sacred places of Hindu pilgrimage to purify the soul. Since Shravan could not afford the transport, he decided to put each parent in a basket and tie each to an end of a bamboo pole, which he could carry on his shoulder while on their pilgrimage. The first thing comes to mind on seeing this temple, or more precisely its walls, is the locally popular comic strips of Hindu mythology Ramayana. But the difference is the stories are carved in long arrays onto the walls of this temple. This is not a huge temple by Hampi's yardstick, but this temple at the heart of the royal area has some peculiarities. Firstly, it had been functioning as a private temple for the king, or at the most, the royal family. The importance of this temple can be judged from its nodal location in the royal area.
Almost look like the stone in Halebedu.
Yeah, I think the granite stone. It will be strongest stone. Looks like that. See this? Very nice, right?
Nice.
This is really a masterpiece.
Yeah.
This is one of the masterpieces
Yeah.
in Hampi. Here you can see this is Dasharatha Maharaja and his wives. Okay? This looks like Krishna.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Hasara Rama temple.
Yeah.
See, I'm fascinated with the craft work. See the finest craft structures.
Yeah.
See how detailed they have done.
Yeah.
See Krishna, right?
Yeah.
See, that is what I'm saying. If we want to spend time here, you will get to know exactly the complete Ramayana story or Bhagavad Gita
Yeah.
from the depiction all around this temple.
Yeah.
This is a well.
Oh.
No water.
Oh.
This is, you can see almost all enclosures or temple complex or any building structure. This is the important thing. They will ensure that there is a well constructed for accommodating the drinking water needs.
Yeah.
See, here also you can see beautiful sculptures.
Yeah.
See, how's it?
Awesome.
Nanda, where are you? Here?
Boo! Why don't you always get scared when I say boo?
See this. Here no strain. Yeah. See how beautifully they constructed this temple. Now we are in 15th century Asara Rama temple in Hampi. Now going outside. So there is a garden here.
Oh.
This is also good. The bottom layer, you can see different type of elephants.
Yeah.
The second one is horse. Then again you can see elephants, right? Now we are in one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site at Hampi. This is Hasara Rama Temple. So many places are there, but we need to
Yeah.
walk. This place we can say all the monuments are royal monuments.
Yeah.
Palaces, related to palace, fort, something like that. Only the exception is Hasara Rama Temple.
Yeah.
So this is coming under the sacred monuments.
Yeah.
So today morning what we visited, that is sacred monuments, Vittalapura, covered
Okay.
most of the temples and the other places associated with Vittalapura.
Okay.
Now we are at Sanana enclosure. So here inside this Sanana enclosure we can see the treasury building,
Yeah.
Queen's building, Jal Mahal and one more building. So that is Sanana enclosure.
Could we see the Queen's Bath?
Queen's Bath is a separate monument altogether. We'll go after this.
Yes.
See Nanda? This
Basement.
is basement of Queen's Palace. So everything got destroyed. Only basement is available now. This is Queen's Palace, ruins of Queen's Palace. See?
Could we like get on it? Oh,
Not required.
good.
Now we are going to the other attraction inside Sanana enclosure.
Okay.
This is Lotus Mahal or Lotus Palace. A tour to Hampi is incomplete without visiting Lotus Palace. It is one of the fine architectural designed palaces that are uniquely identified by its lotus look-like structure. This glorious building is within the Sanana enclosure, a segregated area that is used by the royal women of Vijayanagara dynasty. It is an important monument in Hampi. Lotus Mahal is a virtual air-conditioned residence built for one of the two wives of Vijayanagara ruler Krishnadevaraya. The Mahal had a water tank on the top, water pipes through the beams and columns, facilitating flow of water through the structure and keeping it pretty cool even in hot summer. Summer in Bellary district can be extremely hot.
Terracotta pipeline inside they've connected, I think. So once the rainwater comes, they suck the water.
Oh, that's why
Yeah.
it
It's
is
natural air
air-conditioned,
conditioned.
natural
Yeah.
air-conditioned palace.
Yes.
Nice
Oh,
AC.
See, 500
Years
almost 500
ago,
years
yeah.
back, right? They constructed this type of palace. So
Oh my
They
god.
constructed
see.
it.
very nice view from here.
Is it shaped as a lotus? That's why they named.
This is also known as Kamal Mahal due to the lotus-like design. This was built in Indo-Islamic architecture style and is quite photogenic as well.
You can see any complex, any enclosure, a well will be there. They are taking care of the drinking water needs by these wells.
Neat.
Wow, that is another watchtower, right?
Yeah.
We can't get inside, right?
Yeah, I don't think we can. I don't
Very
see
nice.
any stairs or
Whistle man.
elevator.
Somebody's whistling.
This is called an AC. What are they doing? I don't think they're.
This I liked.
Yeah. Me too.
Like
It's
short
an air
temple.
conditioner and
Mahabalipuram short temple.
AC. Huh? Oh yeah.
It almost like Mahabalipuram short temple. See, this is also watchtower.
Oh.
Looks so.
Wow.
This is the most awaited attraction in Hampi. Elephant stable. See, this is elephant stable, constructed in triangular shape in Indo-Islamic style
Wow.
during 15th century. See, just like cattle shed,
Yeah.
this is for elephants. See, it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Looking
It could be called as
elephant's palace.
Yeah.
This is not stable.
The elephant Elephant Palace.
It is Elephant Palace.
Yeah. I think the elephants those days were lucky to have this type of home.
Yeah, now outside, right?
Yeah.
I think this thing for one, right? One
Think so, yeah, it will fit for one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. But now I'm a little sad because they had to be in this shed forever.
No,
They
it's
won't go
not
in
like
the.
that, right?
It's like, yeah, not for.
See,
Go for a walk or something.
come inside, Nanda. Oh, this is a huge one.
I
this
don't
is-
feel like an elephant.
Yeah, nice.
I wanted to scare you.
Are you elephant?
I'm an ant.
Give me some water.
Ah, fine. Come on, I wanted to act like an imaginary elephant.
See, imagine those time elephants are getting this type of shelters.
Yeah.
Think about the people, right? Raja, Rani,
Yeah.
King, Queen, everyone. Yeah. That structure was for guards. That is guard's house.
Yeah.
And here this is beautiful elephant stable. Show me the backside. Guard's house.
Oh, guard's house.
You said it's for elephant.
No, it's not for elephant.
Guard's house.
Tired?
Yeah.
Not me. All I want is to eat some candy.
Nanda, I will show you something here. See?
Means like the
See?
carving of a peacock. Right?
Is it peacock or hen? Peacock only.
I think it's a peacock. Wait. Or is it
That
a...
is crane or
I think it's...
Eating fish, right?
Yeah, so what bird eats fish? A duck?
Crane.
I think it's half rooster or hen and half...
see, head looks like peacock. Oh,
Yeah.
here, see this? This
Oh!
is a different type of bird altogether. I'm not sure.
That time, maybe this kind of bird must be there, right? We don't know.
Don't know. Okay,
Tired,
we'll go.
You...
Here, see this? Fighting warriors.
Peacock!
Come. I think we can end this episode here and we will go to Clerks Inn.
Why
Take some
do,
rest.
why do I felt like I've heard this word clerk and sniper wolf?
We didn't slept yesterday, right? Night?
We didn't sleep.
I mean like...
We
I
didn't sleep
was...
yesterday, that's right.
Nanda slept for 2 hours. No, in the car also she slept nicely. Right?
Yeah, in the car I slept, but I don't think I slept very nicely at home. I was wide awake. I mean, like, I don't want to sleep.
While going, we missed this. See this? This is closed. There is an inscription here. Watchtower. That is the watchtower. See the watchtower?
Yeah.
Is it single person?
Yeah, single person.
How you can say? So this is a museum here.
Oh.
Since it is Friday, this is not open.
Oh.
And that is the watchtower
Okay.
for Hasana. See, basically treasury building and all administrative buildings are there inside.
Yeah.
Obviously, they should have a good security system. Very nice. Is it recently constructed one? I don't think it is a monument,
Yeah.
right?
Really?
Not sure, but The top structure looks like very old.
Yeah.
Maybe they would have renovated the old building for museum.
Okay.
Now we are getting out from the Hasana enclosure. There are so many other attractions also there in Hampi. We'll try to cover all important attractions in our upcoming episodes. With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the next episode of Hampi series.